Smile. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey man, I'm off today. It's Friday. I'm out with the wifey. There she is right there. And I just want to check out some of the new bikes, y'all, and see what the colors look like. So let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Right off the bat, right here, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah.
Dog?
What's up, man?
How you doing, buddy?
Happy
Alaska.
No, who?
Alaska.
You lost
Alaska in Dallas.
Oh, Alaska.
Where you find this guy at?
So yeah, man. They got some of the new bikes in here, and I just want to come in here and check out some of the new colors, man. Check out that right there with the 121. I love this color, y'all. I had to come and look at it in person. Look at that. What's going on, bro?
How you doing?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
Oh shit, not
Good
too
to
bad.
see you, man.
Good to see you.
So yeah, man. I had to come and check out some of the colors. What's up, brother?
How are you, buddy?
I'm good, man. Good. Had to come and check out the new colors, man. Y'all, I like what they done with that.
It's a dope bike.
That's different, man. Very different.
One they've ever done.
Huh?
It's probably my favorite one they've ever done.
Really? Yeah. When I saw it on TV, I was like, wow, the color look good. And I love the way they doing the windshields.
Yeah.
They changing up the windshields and stuff. Man,
Yes,
very nice. 29,000? That's not bad, man. A 26 right here, y'all. 29 for this. Check that out, man. Check that eagle out on the side right there. 117 on here as well. 2026s are out, y'all.
Here, let's do it justice.
Yeah. Let's look clean. Yeah, definitely bring that baby out. Bring that baby out. 121, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at that boy. Y'all see that? Y'all, that color is off the charts. I like that. Hey man, I might have to come and trade in, dog, man. Not Khrome either. Oh my God.
Raise it up. Let me bring them up.
Right here.
You do a T?
10 inch, 12 inch more.
You wouldn't do a T-bar setup?
Not on this, I would. Because it's gonna cover my screen. So, yeah. Y'all see my wife talking about T-bar setup. She know about T-bar setup. She been around me too long.
If you haven't done anything,
I like this though. I really do.
it can't hurt for her to go out and have that.
It's me right here.
Now, shoot me
It don't come with a tour pack?
Nah, I had to get
I
it.
will do something.
Back on green and black. So yeah.
Isn't that badass?
That color is killer right there, bro.
Yep. I'm telling you, that's probably my favorite CBO they've ever done.
Yeah, I seen it on Robert Simmons' channel, dude, and I was like, wow. I think this color the most stuck out to me right here.
Yep.
And the blue CBO with the limited CBO with the
Oh
tour
yeah,
pack.
we haven't seen that one yet.
Yeah, I like that one. He had it on his channel, so yeah. Gotta be
I wish
me
I
like
hadn't
that.
just bought my new one.
You'd have waited. Yeah, you'd have went on and got this one. I like what they did with the wheels.
Yeah.
Some people didn't like it, but I do. you know, it goes, man, with everything. This is the green right here.
I got a green one out here pulled out.
Oh, do you? Oh, yeah.
And the purple one behind it too.
Check them out, y'all. Check them out.
Yeah, look at them kicks, bro. Dallas.
Appreciate it, man.
Dallas, you ever met Kelly?
Oh yeah,
Okay, man. Yeah, I'm good, man. How you doing?
Okay, cool. Okay.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, y'all got to come to Black Gold. Check out the Harley Davidson. Y'all did your job on these bikes this year. On the paint color schemes, yeah, awesome job. Look at this right here. Y'all, I don't really like the way the lures look, but I do love that light that's integrated right there. And that right here, it just look good together. I guess the lures I have to grow on me, because my next bike, I do want a CVO. I need to do a CVO limited or something, man, but I want the full package with the speakers, the tour pack, everything. So that's gonna be the bike me and my wife ride on. So yeah, loving the new look of the tour pack right here. The light on the back. I like that. It's a sleeker look than the other one. I like that very much. Yeah, very nice. Harley Davidson, y'all did y'all thing, man. How's it going, man? Yeah. Let's see, y'all. One thing they do need to do on these pretty bikes, these nice looking bikes, they need to definitely upgrade these bars. The bars definitely need to be upgraded, man. I'm kind of loving the lures, man. I'm loving the streamline of everything together right here. I'm loving that about it. So yeah, I just had to come and take a look at the new bikes, the new colors. That green is popping. I can imagine this being in the sun right here. Yeah. Yeah, man. These bikes in the sun, this is gonna really pop. But right now, my favorite color that I'm looking at right now is this puppy right here. Y'all know I want me a street glide like crazy. And it might be a street glide CVO right here, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm loving this, man. It go with my shoes, y'all. You see that? Oh man, I actually like this one too, man. I love what they did with the big one right here in the Eagle. Yeah, the blue windshield and the orange windshield is a nice touch on these bikes, y'all. It's something, like I say, Harley Davidson been really watching what we doing to our bikes, and they stepping up to it. Let's see what Trikes they got, if they got any in here. There go a few Trikes here. I don't know if this is the new ones. Oh, that's 24s. 2024. I don't think anybody have any Trikes in right now. But they got some older ones in here for you. If you want a Road Glide 3, 31. Got a Trike right there. Is that the 120th color right there? Yep, that's it, the 120th. And they got it for a 37. Got some great looking bikes out here, y'all. Great colors on here. Oh yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to come in here and show y'all the bikes, man, and see what you might want to take a ride over here to Black Gold Harley Davidson and check out the bikes and the different colors that they have, man. So yeah. I'm loving the street glides though, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie. I'm loving it. Popping all over the face. But yeah, I just wanted to stop in for a brief moment. You know, off today, bad weather for us, and they not putting us in those trucks, and I'm not getting in one anyway, not with ice on the ground coming. And plus we're a little slow. This is our slow time right here. So yeah, check out this one right here with the Khrome Werks right here, with the 131 on it. Oh yeah, very nice. If you're looking for a bike already ready to rock and roll with the 131 Screaming Eagle, this is it right here. Yep. Look at them Khrome Werks, y'all. And those are gloss black, like a gloss black right there, man. I like that. I like that look. So, yeah. So let me find the wifey, man. I just want to come in for a brief moment, like I say, check out the bikes, see what they had over here. Yeah, cause your boy gonna be in the market here real soon for another one. So y'all stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading in or I'm gonna add to the garage. So yeah, but that's what I got going, y'all. And I do love the speakers up here, dude, on these bikes, dude. Yeah, you ought to get a great sound out of this right here. And that's not even having speakers in the bag. So yeah. But we're gonna get ready to get up out of here. And don't want to get no copy strike on here, dog. Don't want to get no copy strike. So yeah. So we're gonna get out of here, man. You ready to go? See, the wife just got her hair done. And she look good, baby. She looks good. Just come from the beauty shop, y'all. Spending that money. But y'all, we're gonna get out of here, y'all. Till the next time, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out. Peace.